Hi friends, clutterless websites. Clean websites always been the first choice on the web. If you love a clean website and willing to create a perfect website for your business, you can use a simple but effective multi-purpose WordPress theme. We have seen hundreds of themes on this channel and multiple resources as well. And I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. In this video, I have a multi-purpose business WordPress theme and it is named as Landkit. It has been developed by Madras Themes and they are Power Elite author at Invato Market. It means you are going to get a quality WordPress theme from here, and we are going to explore the theme features installation process in this video of Landkit multi-purpose business WordPress theme. So don't skip any part of this video if you are really willing to create a website, clean website, clutterless website, effective website, successful website for your business. And you can target a website for apps, co-working, rental services, job listing, and basic website, a startup website, enterprise website, service related website like cloud hosting or agency. So there are many choices. This is being a multi-purpose WordPress theme, and I can show you some of the clean and clear layouts of the websites coming from the Landkit WordPress theme. So we are going to create a demo website using Landkit WordPress theme, and during the video we are going to discuss rest of the things. I have this core and fresh installation of WordPress as always, and I am using this cPanel based hosting plan. All you can avail through video description link. Just explore the links. And for buying the theme, you have to go at themeforest.net through the video description link. Once you buy the theme through the link, you can join the iCreate program for free. It is going to give you a free token to join the program. You can connect with a mentor and complete your website with the help of mentors. Okay, so let us start, and I'm going to show you the theme pack first of all that you are going to get. This is the theme pack. In the theme pack, theme files are here, the main theme file and the child theme file. For the plugins, some plugins are included, Landkit, Elementor and extensions, and some more things like dummy data and duotone icons and all such things. Okay, so we are going to use these theme files for our installation purpose. Installation is going to be simple, but yes, you have to follow the exact steps, and we can simply install the theme in the appearance section, themes, and you can add new theme, upload theme. Here we need to choose the installable theme file that you can find under theme files directory. So landkit.zip is the only installable file. Don't try to upload the complete folder. It would be a mistake. It is a very common mistake, so I always used to mention this thing. So you have to upload only installable theme file. It will take a while, and the theme file size is really very optimized. It is coming from a Power Elite author, and now the theme has been installed successfully. So it is mandatory to use a WordPress optimized hosting plan if you are really willing to have a fast loading and successful website. So you can avail the great hosting plans at WP Themes website. You have to follow the video description link. Let us go to the theme page, and now we have Landkit as another theme option along with the default theme. If we check the details, this is version 1.0.16. As on date, this is being the latest version. When you will order the theme from ThemeForest, you might be getting an updated version, but the installation process and the features will remain almost same. Let us activate the theme, and upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. These are the themes. Elementor is the page builder, and Landkit Elementor is just like add-on for the Elementor, and Landkit extension bringing some specific features at the website. MAS static content, I don't know what is it, but yes, it is available. This is for importing the demo content. This is for supporting the SVG image type, and web form light is for creating forms. So all great 7 plugins are here. 4 had been marked as required, rest are recommended. I am going to select all these plugins, selecting install, clicking on apply. Let us see if it works. It is going to install all the required and recommended plugins in a single attempt. But just in case if it does not work, we can install the plugins one by one. If we are getting an error, or we can avoid the error during the plugin installation process by installing plugin one by one. So let us see how it works. I'm using Apache server and it is a shared hosting plan, and it comes at a very reasonable price. It is a good hosting, and I always recommend to have cPanel based hosting plan or the hosting coming from the hostinger. So all you can avail regarding your hosting at WP Themes website. All the relevant links has been given in the video description itself, and as you can see, the plugins have been installed successfully and all green marks can be seen here, so it is all good. We can go to the plugin installer screen, and this time we have to activate all the installed plugins. So I'm selecting all again and selecting activate, clicking on apply. Now all plugins has been activated as well. We have successfully installed the theme and all set of plugins that were marked as required and recommended as of now. Now we are coming back to the dashboard to check next process. It is clean as of now, and we can check our website how it looks with the theme and all set of plugins. Okay, so this is the basic look of website, and it don't have any content as of now, and we have multiple pre-made website with the Landkit WordPress theme. So we can choose any of these website by importing the demo content. Let us go to the backend, and I am going to explore import demo data option. Okay. So this is the screen where we can select what we want to have at our website. The basic website, a startup enterprise website, the service website, cloud hosting, agency, co-working, rental service website, job listing website, desktop app website, mobile app website, career website, the company pages, and some more. So we can target any of these websites. Our filtration is also here, so you can choose any of these websites like demo website, portfolio, full demo. Okay, good. All demos, I'm choosing this very first one, considering it the default one. You can choose any as per your requirement and choice, and I have clicked on import demo, continue import. So it is going to take time because it is going to connect it at developer server. It is bringing all the data like media files and the rest of elements at our installation. We can check the media library in another tab. If we are getting images here, it means the demo import process is going fine, and we can simply wait here. So this is going to be our target website with the demo content, and we can explore all the pages here, which pages we are going to receive here. Okay, so this is really very clean. And if we talk about the pages, listing, career openings, okay, so these are some pages. That's very clean and soothing in look website. So we can simply present our content very effectively by choosing such clean theme. And I have seen in my experience, clean websites, simple website gets more success than in comparison to the fully designed or cluttered website. So it is always a great idea, good idea, or recommended to have a clean website. If you are really serious about your business, you can have a simple website. It is going to give you much success. Don't worry about the design and all. So this is also a very good in look website. So your visitors are really going to love such website. Okay, so now I'm going to check. Okay, it is complete. Wonderful. So it was so simple, easy, and effective. Now we have got this cool message, and I'm going to refresh this media library. Okay, so very less number of images, no cluttering at all in the front end or even in back end. Now I'm able to refresh this page. Okay, so as of now, we don't have any. So if we check the pages, okay, so the basic element of page is here, and we can check this page. Okay, wonderful. So we have received this page as our home page. What we have selected, we have received the content, and this is complete page. We can use this page directly simply by editing the content using the Elementor page builder. We can complete our website and setting it as a home page. But you might be wondering where is the rest of pages. But yes, I am going to show you again before I show how to edit. So in the demo import content, we seen there was options to import demo data, and we can choose the full demo, install plugins, and the demo. So if we are willing to have the miscellaneous and the menus, so we can import the demo for menus, and like if I am importing the menus, it is going to work fine. Okay, wonderful. So in menus has been imported. Now if we check the menus, it should be there under appearance. So I am going to show you, these are the menus. Social icon and menus are here. So we can select the menu locations and set the menu, main menu, and the social media social icons. So it is very effective way to import the elements that we actually need for our website. So, and rest of the things can be edited using Elementor. So I am repeating again, the things that you want to import can be selected at a demo import screen, like internal pages and all. So it is working fine. We can simply conclude that, and by using this Elementor page builder, we can simply edit the content of our page. So whatever page you want to edit, you click on edit with Elementor and you can simply edit the content by clicking on the respective section. What you have to keep in mind, you can use the same dimension of image and the same length of text so that you maintain the design integrity of the website. Rest of things are going to be fine, and you can simply complete your website by editing all these things. So I believe you understand and you got an idea how you are going to use this theme for your business website, clean website, simple website, and you can complete your website using this theme called Landkit. And again, I'm repeating, if you need any support, we are here to help you. You can write in the comment section, or you can join the iCreate program and start a direct chat with mentor to complete your website. Everything is for you. Start creating a wonderful website using Landkit WordPress theme, Landkit Multipurpose Business WordPress theme, and you will be able to create all the greatest stuffs here. So let me set the home page here just to make a complete mark, so that I'm going to customize and going to select the home page, static page, select page, basic, and progress. Now home page is set and we can check our website. And for rest of the things, you can simply edit with the Elementor, and even the static contents icon are here. Like all static contents can be edited from here, like models and documentation, mega menu, pages, and the landing mega menus. So this is our homepage now. We have set with the home page, and we can proceed further for creating rest of the page, importing rest of the page, and editing the content. Menus are here, and you might be wondering how you can edit the logos and all. So you can do all these things in the customize section. I'm going to show you the screen. Okay, so in the screen under customize options, you have the basic things like you can have the general setting, header options, and the basic settings. And further, you can use the rest of the settings like portfolio items can be edited here. Static content I have already shown you. For editing the forms, you can use the WP forms. So I'll show you the forms if it is any forms here. So these are some forms. You can edit the contents or the fields of form directly from here. And I believe the rest of the things are very fine with the installation, and you can do all these things. And as I said, if you have any question, simply write in the comment section. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions for your WordPress website. Don't skip watching the videos, because I am coming with some solutions through which you can get a good traffic at your website through SEO and all such activities. So it is really very important to have good traffic at your website. Once you complete your website, you need to have a wonderful traffic, of course, because without visitors, there is no use of your website. So keep watching. I'm coming with more and more for your WordPress website, and we can create successful websites for our business without any doubt. So keep creating, keep building, keep watching. Thank you.